In explosive environments, the margin for error is zero. One mistake can trigger a disaster. But with the right solutions, disasters can be prevented before they even begin. In hazardous areas, safety, precision, and smart technology integration are more than just targets. They're essential for protecting your team, supporting regulatory compliance, and maintaining product quality. That's why you need reliable weighing solutions that fulfill your critical workplace requirements and deliver accurate measurements, keeping your operations safe in explosive environments. Solutions that integrate seamlessly into your workflows, reduce downtime, and keep you compliant through real-time remote process monitoring. At METTLER Toledo, we help you minimize risks, maintain product integrity, and stay compliant with regulations, so you can focus on what matters most, your process and your people. Our solutions are designed to meet global standards, including ATEX and others governing hazardous areas, to support your safety and compliance needs. Our team supports you every step of the way, from installation and calibration to training and maintenance, helping your weighing solutions maintain reliable performance in your demanding environment. Let's work together to create safer, more efficient weighing processes tailored to your needs. Contact us today to learn how we can support your success.